5 plays na mapapakamot ka na lang, nagtataka kung anyari nga naman.
Ito, si Coach Chito
Very rarely do we have a head coach. Sabi ni Coach, sandali. Di ko gusto yung nangyayari. Time out muna tayo. Time out.
Time first.
So medyo nagulat yung mga player. Okay, and Coach Chito Victorero asking everyone, sige, po muna tayo guys. Kasi,
ayun.
sisintas muna ako ha. Coach, tingnan mo naman si Coach Jason Webb.
Diba?
Napaka-interesado. Makita ko
Very
kung ano yung
focused
style
and intent.
ni Coach Chito. Gio Halalo.
Nag-time out ba si Coach para magsintas?
Hindi pa niya sure. Sabi niya, nag-thank you naman siya. Josh Orbistondo naman po tayo sa pang-apat.
Ito, panoorin natin to.
Josh Orbistondo looking for the alley-oop. Yun nga lang, siya nga lang po yung naghahanap ng alley-oop. Medyo kamot na lang. Walang tao doon.
Alley-oops.
Coach Franz
Tingnan mo
Pumarin.
naman yung reaction ni Coach Pumarin.
Medyo nagulat naman siya. Bo Belga naman tayo, number 3.
Extra rice with
driving.
extra smooch. Bakit kaya?
Bintis yung tira. Pero,
wait for it. Wait for it.
yes.
Wow! Wow!
Okay, sana Bo. Kaso, the shot was no-go. And tawa na lang tayo. Number 2, Joe Vance. Para sa ating mga Barangay Ginebra fans. Joe, passing it. Coach Tim Cole with the kick pass. Ganda ng ganda ng football skills din ni Coach Tim Cole.
Basketball tsaka soccer combined into
Great
one.
pass, Sol, completing it as well. Joe. Yeah, Coach Tim not happy. Not happy.
Looking pleased.
Not happy. And number 1.
Alright, last but not the least, James Yap.
The man of a million and one move.
Diba? Multitasking.
James, ano ba talaga gusto natin gawin doon?
Oo nga eh.
James, ano ba? Save, time out, tapos. Either way, turnover po yung dulo niya. Thank you, James Yap. Sige. Ay, Che. Ha? Ano ba? Traveling? Hindi, kay Che, sure. O, yan po ang ating top 5 play.